Hey there carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to talk about the importance of having a positive daily routine as a business owner and how that can help you to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot with our specialist bespoke digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to help as many carpet cleaning businesses not just survive but thrive, whether that's through our one-on-one program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. Why having a daily routine is so important for you as a business owner. Let's dive right in. So I'll go for that walk. I'll have a think about what I've done in the morning and stuff like that. And you'll be surprised, right? Once you start getting into that process of taking that time out just to kind of think, that's when the magic happens. That's when you start to get the ideas, right? That's when you start to get those light bulb moments. Then I'll come back in the office, and then normally in the afternoon, that's when I'll do those less priority things, those things that have least importance. Normally like in the afternoon, that's when you're like more tired. That's when your creativities, that bit isn't as high as it is like first thing in the morning when you're fully refreshed. The afternoon when you're that bit more tired, that's when you should do like the boring kind of admin stuff, the kind of stuff that you don't really need to kind of put much thought into. You just need to kind of do it and kind of get it out of the way. I'll do that, or I'll take meetings. Sometimes in the afternoon I'll take meetings. That could be internal meetings with my team. It could be occasional meetings that I have with our clients and stuff like that. A lot of our business is in America. A lot of our clients are in America, and a large number of our internal team are based out of the States as well, which works great for me because our sort of lunchtime, from like lunchtime to like the afternoon, is sort of like the morning time in America. So what that means is that gives me my morning time in the UK to really kind of get on top of like all of those priority things whilst America's asleep, if you want, whilst our clients are asleep, whilst my internal team are asleep. And then in the afternoon, my time, which is when the clients start waking up, so my internal team starts working and stuff like that, that's when I can like deal with any like internal stuff, any client stuff, and as well any kind of like day-to-day less priority stuff. So I'll work in the afternoon, do all of that kind of thing, and then again at the end of the day I'll stroll back. It's another 20-minute walk through the park back to my apartment, and again it's that time to think. It's that time to kind of reflect on what I've achieved that day, what I'm looking to achieve tomorrow. Gets you into that right mindset, right? So that's kind of like my day-to-day routine, and I literally repeat that Monday to Friday. Go to bed at 11 or 12, wake up at 7, have 7 or 8 hours sleep. Whilst in bed, grab my phone, which incidentally I have no notifications on. My phone does not beep, does not make a sound, no notifications pop up. The only way I know if I've got an email or a message is by clicking on the app and actually opening it up and going in there. So I'm lying in bed at 7, I go through all of my messages, get on top of all of the day-to-day, clear the decks before I even got out of bed, so that means I then have the whole day in front of me to focus on the important stuff. Get up, shower, get ready, have a quick banana, slow release energy, keeps me going all morning. Have a nice brisk stroll in the morning, get the blood pumping, gives me a chance to kind of think about the day ahead, come in energized, ready to go, in the right mindset, and then first thing, start to work on those really important things, those things that are going to have the biggest impact on your business, the things that are going to generate you money. Work on those things. So if you're a carpet cleaner, it could be checking in with your marketing team, looking at your results. It could be coming up with some new specials. It could be filming content that you send to companies like ours to use in your advertising. It could be coming up with some new operational processes, something like that. Could be designing, like maybe you want to come up with like a new logo, branding. Could be putting up social media posts. Could be putting out a video on YouTube if you've got a YouTube channel for your carpet cleaners, whatever it is, doing those important things. Once you've got that out of the way, awesome, have some lunch, try to level up, try to learn something, read a bit of a book, watch some videos, always try to learn more, gain new skills, number one, and then go for a stroll, recharge the batteries so that you can come back in the afternoon, do it all again, come back in the afternoon, having had a bit of a break from the screen because you've been at it hardcore all morning, come back, work through all the other tasks and the other things that you've got that day. That's what I normally do. Take any meeting meetings, leave the office about 5, 6 o'clock, head home, get changed, have a shower, have some dinner, watch some Netflix, chill out, hang out with my wife, and just switch off and don't think about anything. And like I said before, it's really important that you recharge those batteries, because if you don't, you'll be tired, your brain will be tired, and that's when you'll make bad decisions in your business. Actually, like people say, oh, what, so you just like chill out and like watch Netflix of an evening? Like, yeah, or like read a book, whatever. Because guess what? If you're working on your company till 10, 11, 12 o'clock every night, you're getting up at 7 every day, you're going to be exhausted. So actually, sometimes not working on your business at all and just switching off can have a bigger impact, a more positive impact than actually doing actual work in a crazy messed up way, right? So yeah, chill out, and then again, go to bed 11, 12 o'clock, wake up at 7, rinse and repeat, do it all again. And it's all about consistency, right? And it's all about compound effect. By doing every single day, doing X amount of hours in your business, working 7, 8 hours a day, every day, consistently focusing your energy and being persistent with the important stuff and executing on that important stuff consistently every day, that is what is going to take your business to the next level, and that is what is going to give you that success. You know, if you work 7 hours a day, like 2 days a week, and then suddenly you get lazy like 3 or 4 days, and so you have this kind of like this thing where you're like doing really, really well, and you're like putting the effort in, and like you're making progress in your business, and then it kind of stops and you kind of lose that momentum, then you kind of got to get the momentum again. That's when you're going to struggle to like be successful as a business owner. That's when you're going to struggle to have that momentum and move that needle forward. It's by doing it consistently every day that you have that consistent momentum, that you're constantly moving forward, moving down the line, closer and closer to more and more success. By doing the same thing every day consistently, that same thing being working on the important things that are going to make a big difference in your business, instead of working on the less important things first and not putting the time into those important things and executing on them. And it's a compound effect, right? Like if you save $1 a day, after 5 days you're only going to have $5. It's not a lot, but over a longer period of time you're going to have $100, $1,000. All of this work in the beginning doesn't amount to much, but by consistently doing it every day over time, all of that hard work, all of that momentum, all of that working on the priority stuff first every day, it builds up, it grows and you have this compound effect, and suddenly like boom, like everything falls into place and the magic starts to happen, and that's when you start to really take off. It's not about what time you go to bed, whether you go to bed at like 3 a.m. or like 7 p.m. It's not about what time you wake up. It's not about getting up at 4 a.m. like all these billionaire guru type people tell you. Do you know what I mean? It's not about any of that. It's that you consistently put X hours a day into your business. It's about that you consistently get X hours sleep a day so that you're recharged and refreshed, right? Like that's what it is. It's not about what time you go up or go to bed. It's about what you do, right? That's the main thing. It's not about running 10 miles every day or going for a bath in freezing cold ice water. It's about just, being consistent and just getting a bit of exercise, even if it just means going for a walk, right? It's about executing on the things that will move the needle forward in your business first as a priority and doing the non-important stuff after. It's about being persistent every single day and not giving up ever. It's about not being distracted by the non-important things so that you can focus on the important things uninterrupted. It's about knowing who you are and what works for you and building a positive daily routine around that. So, for example, if you're an evening person, if you are the kind of person that likes to work late into the night and get up a little bit later, that's what works for you, then do that. If you prefer to work from like 8 till 3 in the morning, and that's when you're most creative and that's when you're going to get most of your work done undistracted, then do that. And if it makes sense for you to wake up at 10 or whatever a.m., then do that. If you've got kids or whatever and you've got certain things going on in your life that means that you have to do things in a certain way, then that's fine. It's about understanding who you are as a person. It's about understanding what works for you and basically putting together like a routine around that, like I say, that works for you. And as long as you do that, and like I say, you keep that up consistently, that routine, you absolutely will. If you show up every day consistently and you execute persistently on the important things in your business, that will have the biggest impact. You 1,000,000,000,000% will be successful. Absolute guarantee. So I hope that has kind of shed some light on daily routines, why they're important, and all the rest of it, and how you can implement them in your carpet cleaning business to help you take things to that next level. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, check out the link in the description where you'll be able to schedule a call. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.